Hello student, I am Ranjit sir, and today student we are going to study numericals of gravitation. This is our science first lesson, part 1 and first chapter, that is gravitation. Now the question is here, what is question student? Question is calculate the gravitational force due to earth on Mahendra. Okay, we are going to calculate which force? Gravitational force. So for that student, what is given here? Mass of the earth is given, that is what m1. This is what 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Radius of the earth is given to you, that is capital R, which is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Mahendra's mass is given to you, that is m2 is given to you 75 kg, and the value of g is given to you. What is value of g? So g is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Clear student? Now we know that the gravitational force F is equal to what? G m1 m2 divided by r square. This is the formula student. Gravitational force is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. Now student, in this formula we are going to substitute the value of G, m1, m2 and r from the given information. Now what is G student here? So G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into what is m1 student? m1 is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg into what is m2 student? m2 is what? m2 is 75 kg. m2 is 75 kg and divided by student, divided by r square. What is r student? R is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. So right here 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 the whole square. Clear student? So just we have put the value of m1, m2, r and g in the formula. Now we will simplify. Okay student? So what you will get student? 6.67 into 6 into 75 into 10 to the power. Here student minus 11. Minus 11 plus 24. This is plus 24. So minus 11 plus 24 is student plus 13. Minus 11 plus 24 is
plus 30.
plus 13. So we will put here plus 13 and divided by, this is what? 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 the whole square. So you will write 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 to the 12. Okay student? 6 to the 12. So this is equal to what? 6.67 into 6 into 75 divided by 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 to the power. This is what student? 13. Clear? Yes. This is what? 10 to the power 13, and when we will take 12 to the numerator side, so this becomes minus 12.
Minus 12.
Okay student? This becomes minus 12. So now student, the gravitational force, that is F is equal to what? So F is equal to, you will get 6.67 into 6 into 75 divided by 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 raised to 13 minus 12. 10 raised to 13 minus 12 is 10 raised to 1, or you will say simply 10. Okay student? Now divide. So 2 3s are
6.
2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again with 2, 2 5s are 10 and here 2 3s are 6, 0.22s are 4. So student, what you will get, you will just simply multiply. This is what 3 5s are 15. So 6.67 into 3 5s are 15 into 75 and divided by what student? 3.2 multiplied by 3.2. So student, when you will multiply this value, multiply all this value, you will get some number. So right here in the numerator in this box and multiply these two, you will get some values right here in this bracket, and then finally you will divide and you will get the answer is what? 733 Newton. Okay student, what you will get? You will get answer 733 Newton. Once again student, you multiply 6.67 into 15 and 75, then right here, and again multiply 3.2 multiplied by 3.2 right here, and then finally you make the division. So you will get what student? You will get 733 Newton. So student, the gravitational force due to Earth on Mahendra is 733 Newton. Okay student? Now next question we will see in next video. Thank you.